Warren-Trumbull County Public Library. I'm here today to share with you a frittata in a mug. So I'm going to take you through some of the steps. It sounds pretty fancy, but it's really just some eggs in a mug and some little extras. You can leave them out if you don't like them, or you can add different things to the recipe. There's a lot of different varieties. We'll mix it up, we'll stick it in the microwave for about a minute, and then you'll have a delicious quick meal. So let's get started. First of all, before you go into the kitchen, you need to ask an adult if it's okay to cook in the kitchen. That's real important. So they may even want to join you. Once you do that, you need to wash your hands so we can have nice, clean working space. You will need to find a large coffee mug or probably a soup mug. It's real important that it's large because when the eggs cook in the microwave, they're going to expand, and I don't want you to have an egg explosion. So you need a mug. You are going to put some butter or cooking spray in it, and you'll need 2 eggs. You will need a tablespoon of milk, and that is the big spoon, a tablespoon, not a teaspoon, some tomatoes, and a tablespoon of cheese, and a little salt and pepper. So you will butter your mug, and then the fun part, you can crack your egg into the mug. And then you need to add some milk. And it's important that you add milk because cooking is all about chemistry. If you don't add the milk, your eggs will actually explode in the microwave, and you don't want that to happen. So you will take and you will stir your eggs, stir the milk in gently. Then you will add some cheese. Some tomatoes, a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. Give it a stir. You will set your microwave for a minute, but every 20 minutes, you're going to take it out and give it another stir. You can tell it's done because sometimes when you cook, that's the trickiest part, knowing when whatever you're cooking is done. The center of it will be firm and not runny. So we'll be back with our creation from the microwave. Okay, friends, we are back with our cooked frittata in a mug. After our minute in the microwave, it looks like it's settled a whole lot, but like I said, you need to make sure you have a very large mug and you don't want to miss watching it in the microwave, because just when you think it's going to spill over and make a huge mess, it stops. When you stop the microwave, it goes back down in, you give it a stir, and all is good. So I encourage you to try it at home. Come and see me at the library and tell me how it turned out. It is delicious.